React. Learning from the docs.
Hi friends, welcome to Learning from Docs. Today we'll learn React concepts in a simple way. Let's get started.
Build a React app from scratch. If your app has constraints not well served by existing frameworks, you prefer to build your own framework, or you just want to learn the basics, you can build a React app from scratch. Step 1. Install a build tool.
The first step is to install a build tool like Vite, Parcel, or RSbuild. These build tools package and run your source code, provide a development server for local development, and a build command to deploy your app to production.
Vite.
Vite is a build tool that aims to provide a faster and leaner development experience for modern web projects. To create a new Vite project, run npm create Vite using the React.ts template. Vite is opinionated and comes with sensible defaults out of the box. It has a rich ecosystem of plugins to support fast refresh, JSX, Babel and SWC, and other common features. See Vite's React plugin to get started. Vite is already being used as a build tool in one of our recommended frameworks, React Router.
Parcel.
Parcel combines a great out-of-the-box development experience with a scalable architecture that can take your project from just getting started to massive production applications. To add Parcel, install it as a dev dependency. Parcel supports fast refresh, JSX, TypeScript, float, and styling out of the box. See Parcel's React recipe to get started.
RSbuild.
RSbuild is an RS-Pack-powered build tool that provides a seamless development experience for React applications. It comes with carefully tuned defaults and performance optimizations ready to use. To create a new RSbuild project, run npx create RSbuild with the React template. RSbuild includes built-in support for React features like fast refresh, JSX, TypeScript, and styling. See RSbuild's React guide to get started. For React Native, use Metro, the JavaScript bundler for React Native. It supports bundling for iOS and Android, but lacks many features compared to the tools here.
Step 2. Build common application patterns.
The build tools above start you off with a client-only, single-page app, but don't include solutions for common needs like routing, data fetching, or styling. The React ecosystem has many widely used tools for these problems. Here are a few good starting points.
Routing.
Routing determines what content to display when a user visits a particular URL. You map URLs to parts of your app and handle nested routes, route parameters, and query parameters. Routers are usually integrated with data fetching, code splitting, and page rendering.
We suggest using React Router or TAN Stack Router. Data fetching.
Fetching data from a server is a key part of most apps. Doing it properly means handling loading states, error states, and caching. Purpose-built libraries do the hard work for you. Prefetch in router loaders or on the server to avoid network waterfalls.
For most backends or REST-style APIs, we suggest TAN Stack Query, SWR, or RTK Query. For a GraphQL API, we suggest Apollo or Relay. Code splitting.
Code splitting breaks your app into smaller bundles loaded on demand. An app's code grows with every feature, and sending it all up front slows loading. Splitting by route, integrated with bundling and data fetching, reduces initial load time. Beware, naive splitting can create waterfalls.
For code splitting instructions, see your build tool docs, Vite build optimizations, Parcel code splitting, and RSbuild code splitting. Improving application performance.
Build tools only support single-page apps, so you will implement other rendering patterns yourself. Even if you don't need them now, some routes may benefit later. Your rendering strategy should integrate with your router so each route can choose its own approach.
Common rendering patterns. Single-page apps load one HTML page and update dynamically. Easy to start, but slower on first load. Server-side rendering renders on the server and sends the full page. Faster, but more complex. Static site generation builds static HTML at build time. Great for static content. And React server components mix build time, server, and interactive components in one tree.
These are just a few examples of what a new app needs when building from scratch. Each problem is interconnected and can require deep expertise. If you'd rather not solve them yourself, you can get started with a framework that provides these features out of the box. Next steps. If you'd rather not build it all yourself, start with a recommended React framework.
Thank you for watching.